Okay, good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. This is Professor David J. Delos Reyes. What I will be discussing this afternoon again is how to set up or bring out a cooling air. Because right now, the temperature outside the house is 92 degree Fahrenheit. And inside the house is still hot. It's 80 degree Fahrenheit. So there is a temperature difference of around 12 degree Fahrenheit. So at 80 degree Fahrenheit, you could feel the heat. Okay. I am perspiring right now. See, I'm perspiring. What I will do is that I will try to set up my cooling fan. Because I've got a cooling fan here. This is my cooling fan. This is a DC cooling fan. The input voltage should be 12 volts. The terminals for this one to operate are actually this one here. I assembled it myself. This is the plus terminal. This is the negative terminal. So for this one to operate, we must have to inject here a 12 volts here. And to inject a 12 volts, of course, we needed a direct current power supply. So right now, I will be using my variable output voltage regulator here. Later on, I will show you how much will be the output if we try to power up the cord that connects this one here. The cord that connects this one is actually this one here. Okay. So if I power up this one, this DC power supply will be energized, and actually we could vary the voltage of this one depending on what voltage we will be using. Since the voltage that we will be using is 12 volts for the electric fan, as soon as this variable DC power supply is energized, I will try to toggle on or adjust the voltage of this one to 12 volts because that's the one needed for this 12 volt electric fan to operate. So right now, I will now try to power up the variable DC power supply. Okay, it's now on. Okay, and since this is a variable DC power supply, okay, I will set this one to 12 volts. I will just toggle this one going clockwise. And as you could see it, that's 12 volts. That's 12 volts. So the voltage output of this one now, the one that comes out here, will be 12 volts. And that's the one being injected to the electric fan. So right now, the electric fan, which give us a cooling air, is now operating. And as you can see it operates very efficiently. Okay, I got a little handling metal over here. So if I would like to transfer this one, I just do it like that. I just place this one on a cardboard. Anyway, this electric fan is actually very lightweight. If it's operating, it will not try to vibrate. It's very handy. So right now, I am feeling the cold air emanating from this 12 volt electric fan due to the injection of 12 volts here. And that 12 volts actually emanates from a variable DC power supply, which I myself assembled it. So this is for now. I needed the cold air just to cool me while I am working on my electronic troubleshooting board or table. Okay, so as long as it is hot, this will be operating. The current of this one is not so much. It's 12 volts. Anyway, my variable DC power supply, the voltage of this one is variable. We could vary it from 3 volts to around 15 volts. And the current maximum of this one is 1.5 amperes. Okay. Okay, so right now, the electric fan gives me cool air, and that's the purpose of what we know in real life. If we do something, it will be something that will give us goodness to our, what you call this, surrounding, much more that we needed it during hot days. Okay, good afternoon from Los Angeles. This is Professor David J. Delos Reyes.